Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. This may be the most handsome lighter I've ever laid my hands on. It's a Ronson standard. See all the information there. Newark, New Jersey, USA, trademark, US patent, Canadian, and British. That'll all be in the title. I overfilled it, so it's hemorrhaging fluid right at the moment. It's nice and clean. Functions very well. It had a obstruction in the flint tube. It was packed in there, and so I took the mechanism apart from the top and put cleared the tube and then put the mechanism back on it. Never quite had a Ronson this fancy. I believe this is enamel with engine turning, monogrammed FA. It's a just sitting there. It's a beefy looking lighter. I don't know if that's because of the vertical stripes or what, but it looks like a big lighter. But as I said, certainly a handsome lighter. Ronson on that side. Copyright on that side. As always, there are scuffs, scrapes. This one may have a couple of small areas of paint loss, like right there. But if it does, they're few and far between. Not a mint lighter, but man. This is a very nice lighter. I'm not even sure if we start talking about mint lighters. What is it? Like the grime in that button right there. Would that disqualify a lighter from being mint? Man, this one really doesn't have a whole lot of damage, even surface damage. It's a very, very nice lighter. As I said before, it was not the flint tube, or the flint spring screw, when you took it out, it popped, and it was obvious it was only going in there so far. The whole thing wouldn't go in, so there was obvious obstruction in there. So I just went ahead and took the mechanism apart from the top, screwed around with it, spinning a drill bit for a second, and then put it in a drill, and it spun right through it. And from that point, then the other bigger bits we were able just to spin by hand. So that now it's working without issue. Has a clear flint tube, fueled up, and as I said, man, just a whale of a lighter. Beautiful. So if you like these sort of lighters, I've got several more enameled Ronsons coming, 5 or 6 of them, and then another engine turned one, I believe. I got more in there, more flint tubes to clear than I got time to work on. So if you like this sort of thing, if you like old lighters, one of my next projects is going to be re-wicking this Evans round lighter. It's got no problems, it's just the wick is falling down in it. You can see the other Evans and some of the others we have in the background there. So anyway, if you like this sort of thing, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have plenty more of that coming. Like the video that you're watching, tell your friends, hit the share button, send it off in a text or email, social media, however it is that you communicate those sort of things, and let them get a look at it themselves. Comment below if you have any questions about this particular lighter. You might also click over on the other video. I'll link to that here at this spot in the video, so you can see how the repairs were made in the first place. Also, like us across social media, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. That's going to be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com, and we would appreciate that, and all those things help the channel. So until next time, thank you for watching.